As you can see, we have set up the rolling stand. We have do the setup for the interactive smart screen and the OPS. Now the next step we are going to do is to power it on, and then we do configuration for the OPS and the Harmony OS. It comes with two operating systems, the Harmony OS and the Windows 10. So the language, you choose any language you want to use. We'll go next. The Wi-Fi setting will do after the setup, not now. I'll just now go to next. For the country, we'll look at Nairobi. You just press Nairobi and then you go to next. Here, you can read the usage agreement and statement. I'll go to next on that. Auto system update, I'll do next. And then Idea Share Key Pairing will pair after the setup. So I'll go next and then get started. Our Harmony OS is up. Now I'll just press here. And if you want to set the Windows page, you press Windows. As you can see, it's in English. I'll just go to yes. And then we'll use the United States. Yes. Want to add a second keyboard layout? That one let's skip. And then for the network, I can skip for now. I don't have internet. And then, continue with the limited setup, and then I accept. So here you'll choose whenever anything you want to use. Maybe you can do admin, you can give a name when you are doing a setup or configuration for your operating system for Windows. So we can choose, we can just do admin. I'll go to next. For password, I can go to next. We'll configure it later. And then I accept. Not now. So the Windows operating system is up. So you can either choose. Either you use the Windows or the Harmony operating system. So that's majorly the setup for the smart interactive screen.